Hello everybody, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today, it's how to remove the dispenser drawer on your Lamona washing machine. Now this is an integrated washing machine. It's definitely a good idea to clean out your dispenser drawer about every 6 months really, because you don't want any gunk and gunge and washing powder residue going down and getting on your clothes when you're doing a wash. There's a link above now about how to install a brand new washing machine. This is the Lamona integrated washing machine here, made by Howdens. And the dispenser drawer is up here on the top left hand corner. So what you do is you pull it out until it won't come out any further. And then what you're doing is you're pushing it down at the back and lifting it up at the front, because what you've got is you've got a small clip in the middle which you just need to get past, and then you can just remove it. And there is the clip there. You can also remove these blue covers here to give you better access for cleaning. Now this one's in really good condition, so here's one from another old filthy washing machine that I had. So just take your partner's toothbrush and with some hot soapy water just give that a really good scrub. Whilst I'm giving this a clean, there's a link above now about various how-to guides on all sorts of makes and models of washing machines. Now before you put the detergent drawer back, it's definitely worth giving the inside of the drawer a good clean with a cloth and some hot soapy water. This one's actually in pretty good condition. And then you're ready to put the dispenser drawer back in, so just line it up with the grooves on either side, and then what you've got to do is you've got to get that clip underneath, so just lift it up at the front and push it down at the back and then slide it home. And then whilst you're doing a bit of maintenance, it's definitely worth checking the rubbers inside the door, so just make sure this is nice and clean and you've got those drainage holes there, make sure they're not blocked up. And there's a link above now about how to fit a new toilet lever on your toilet system. And then it's definitely worth putting it on the hottest wash that it will go on, just to flush the system through. And then don't forget to put your partner's toothbrush back and hope they don't notice. I'll tell you what, after all that hard work, it's definitely time for a lovely cup of tea. Oh! If you would like more how-tos on how to save you time and money, then please press the subscribe button down here. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel, everyone. If you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. And be sure to hit that bell notification tab.